Hello Joxy. So here I have developed a new circuit for you because the previous two circuit actually mainly the website you have given me the link actually in the link the pulse oximeter mechanism is not actually for the measuring for the um, how much IR LED is absorbing by the sensor. So actually here the red light in the pulse oximeter, the red light is mainly used for the measurement of the blood oxygen by absorbing by the LED emitting from the red LED, which is 600 nm, and actually for the IR light mainly used for for the mainly for the heartbeat actually. So this is the mechanism and the circuit diagram where you shown me that is I have studied and worked on it. That is not for the your actual purpose, and that's why after that I have designed a new circuit for you, and I will ship it tomorrow so that you can understand. I will knock you. I have already knocked you on the way on the message, but you are unresponsive and didn't get your response yet. So I am just now showing you the mechanism. Now look, I am powering the device from the USB. You also can do this, and this is the red LED. Okay, so the function which you want from me, the edited function, that is the incrementing and decrementing the delay time, and the LED1 LED3 status, and also for the graph. So I have all done this, and now I will show you. So the main problem was the our previous circuit is actually the light is this sensor is taken the white light, this is the problem. That was the main problem actually, but I have resolved this, and that's why this is a two sensor. One is black one, which will be absorbed, white light will not enter with this sensor. This is that is it is black and white one, because I have worked on white one too, because if you get any sensor which is white color, then it will be difficult for you to detect the IR using when in the presence of the sunlight or the white light. So I will show you demonstration with the two kind of sensor now. So this is the IR transmitter, and remember this IR transmitter is 940 nm. So and this sensor should be exactly 940 nm receiver, otherwise it will not receive. Okay, but this sensor which is I have collect from another development board, this sensor is a wide range of receiving IR LED from 600 to I think it is 1400. So this is the main fact. So now look here, and also I am tell you that this first port is positive one, so the big leg will be the first port. At the first port, so same, the first port positive, negative, then again positive, then negative, then again positive, then negative. And this the for the receiver, the first port is negative. I mean the short leg of the sensor should be placed here. So I will show you practically. Now look, this is the IR LED I have put it in, and this is the sensor. And also you have to remember this, you have to alignment, make the alignment. Look, this is the short leg, so this is negative leg, so I am putting in the first slot. Okay, and another issue that is you have to place the sensor front by front. I mean they should be align each other, so that the frequency or the LED will be easily transmitted. This is mainly for this sensor actually, this black sensor, but the white one is receiving any LED from any side. Okay, now uh, okay, now I am because of I don't have any LCD at my side, so I will show you from this my computer. So look, so this is the code. I have updated everything from in this code. Now I will demonstrate you. I will show you from here. Look, if I go to the serial monitor, then I can get the value. Now, look, if I just hold them by same alignment and front by front, that look, here is a value 2671, 2672, 2711. The value will be incrementing and decrementing, depends on the IR is low or down, or they are exactly front by front. Look here, if I displace the sensor slightly, then the value will be decrease. Look, the value will be decreased because my sensor placement is not right. Please look here, the sensor is down and the IR LED is upside now. Okay, so if I reset them now, if I reset them, look, the value is increasing. So this is the actual value. And also I can check you the, if I make the thing to the dark, so there will be no value changing. That's slightly, because the sensor is black, so it absorbing, so no white light is incoming in front of them inside the sensor. Look, the our value is fixed, I mean 2522. So actually, look, if I remove my hand, and if I make the path to white light in, so there is no change. Look. So this was the fact in my previous board, so that is I resolved it. And now I will show you the for the another sensor. Look, uh, this is what I told you. This is 940 nm LED transmitter, and this is 940 nm LED receiver. Okay, so I am removing the receiver and placing this, which is wide range. Now look, this short leg is negative, so I should put it here. Now look, the value is 0. If I, the LED one, actually the LED one value is 0. If I press the sensor over, press the LED over the sensor, look, here is the value. Got it? So the value will be increasing and decreasing, depend on the LED and the sensor position. So you have to make the position correctly, so that you can get the perfect values for all the time. So similarly for this, if I press the LED, the transmitting LED 2 here, look, the LED 2 will be showing you the value. If I displace and change the position, the value will be changed. And also for the white light, if I want to show you that is, if I dark this, if I make this dark, so there will be a huge a small value changing. This is because actually no value changing. Look, this is 141200. If I make it dark, so there will be a little bit value changing, because this sensor is a wide range, I told you before that. And that's why this is the white LED. This is 600 nm is also accepting, because the sensor is not dark. Okay, so another thing, this is the LED 2. So I'm showing you that, if I remove my hand, and if I incoming the white light, so there is no value changing now. Look, so if I make it dark again, so actually no value changing. So in this case, I can, because the value is changing, actually based depend on my finger is vibrating. Okay, again, this is 1677. Okay, if I make it dark, make it dark, look, the value is slightly changing because my finger is vibrating. So actually there is a little bit 100 or something value will be changing for the white light, because for the all sensor which is not dark. So for this you the white light, for the depend for the white light there will be a little value changing. Okay, for the slot 3, now the slot 2, if I remove the sensor and place it here, and I place it the sensor here, look, the LED 3 is incoming value. I think you got it. And also, so this is finished, everything is done. Now what I have done here, that is I have make every wire here, and also this is this black wire, look, this separate black wire for the positive line, this means VCC to the LCD, this will go to the LCD, and this is your power input, this is, and also, and this wire is separate ground for the LCD. Okay. Okay, and now I am showing you another thing, that is how oh, okay, wait, another thing, that is, if you can look, the LED is transmitting, you can see here. Now if I press on this button, the boot button, only boot button, pressing on boot button will show you a value here. Look, this is 150. That means the device initially was 50 millisecond, and after each press it will be incrementing 50 milliseconds. So the second press is 100, then is 150, and it is 200. If I press again, then it will be 250, and press again, and it will be 50. Now look, the LED blinking position. If I make LED to front to show you better, look, so so you have to test this. Okay, if I reset this to see you, look, I'm resetting the device. Look, the initial state is 15 milliseconds, so it is blinking fastly. Now if I press the boot button one time, it will be slow down, it will be slow down, it will be slow down. Look, if I make it to the 50 millisecond, look, it will be slow down. I mean, this is now there is 500 millisecond, that is 0.5 second delay. Look, so everything is done here. Also what I have done for you, that is this should be done in your computer. So using the TeamViewer app, I will you have to give access me, so that I can do this in your computer. So if I press here, look, the every value will be present here. Look, this is LED 1, because LED 1, LED 2, that is 0, LED 3 has a slot, and then now the sensor and LED is connected to the LED 3, that is, it has a value. After that, if you want to make a chart in the Excel, then what you have to do, just save the append, the example works. Okay, so it is saved. Now stop. If I see these things, so this is, look, this is LED 3 value and just upcoming value. And if you want to make a chart, then just go to here and just line and just make a chart here. This is the curve. So everything is done. So I will ship everything tomorrow. You hope you will get within 7 days. Thank you.